In this video, I'll be showing you the World of Nintendo Sound Effects Plush by Jakks. In this collection, Jakks has released 3 series of the sound effects plush so far. In Series 1, we had the question block. Series 2 has the turtle shell, star, and mushroom, while Series 3 has the bomb, warp pipe, and golden coin. Now let's take a closer look at each one, starting with Series 1's question block, which we can see here. Question block with sound effects, Series 1-1. And if you hit it a few times, it'll change noise at the end. You'll see here. And in Series 2, we have the star. And we also have the turtle shell. And finally, for Series 2, we have the mushroom. Series 2, mushroom with sound. And for Series 3, we have the bomb with sound, Series 1-3. And these are all pretty well made. They look very nice, and the fact that they make sound is something pretty unique. You don't see too many plush that make sound. So I think Jakks is doing a really great job, and I'd love to see more characters that make sound. More plush characters with sound. These are pretty cool. Then we have the warp pipe. And finally, we have the golden coin. Now, this might sound familiar to you. This actually has the same sound as the question block, so that's a little bit disappointing to hear the same sound, but it's still cool nonetheless, and they have the same sound effect, but that's okay. So I hope that Jakks continues to make these. They're actually very fun, very cool to collect, and I really enjoy collecting them. So if you guys own any of these, or if you're planning on getting any, let me know down in the comments below what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much.